What's up, guys? Today we are super pumped. We are bringing the brand new DOD to you to show you just how versatile it is. We're at McCoy's Building Supply Store today. We're going to do some side loading, put those easy fold sides down, and show you just how easy, again, it is to side load material to get to the job site to make the work you need to do that much better. So the first thing we're going to load is some 9-foot railroad timbers. You hit the one-touch side on the handle, it's down, and let's go. All right, so we got the railroad timbers loaded up. You can see they're just to the passenger side. Obviously, if we were leaving here with them, we would put them in the center to distribute the load, from side to side. Or you would take, and if you were getting another bundle, go to the other side, drop down the side, load it up to where then again, it's evenly distributed. Next, we're gonna get into some palleted goods. We're gonna load up a few pallets of shingles, just showing you the versatility from long material to palleted goods. So the secret sauce of what makes this so special, makes it such an easy one-man operation, you have the center easy latch, just like your truck tailgate. You've seen me do it several times now, but you pop it open, put the side down, but then that's where the next phase of awesomeness comes in, is that typically these fold down side dump trailers, the sides are super heavy, they're flimsy. One man, this is a 14 foot, so think of even a 16 foot, this side weighs 250, 300 pounds. It's about all you have to put it up and down. Well, we've integrated these gas springs on each end of the door, which, as you could tell in these clips, has made it super easy to fold the side down and put it back up. You're not, it's almost effortless. You're not working that hard. You're working smarter, not harder. We are now at HE Span, a company in Mount Pleasant's been here for probably 100 years, it seems like. They have done asphalt, they deliver gravel, they deliver sand, fill sand, things like that. But what we came here to do is show you just how powerful the telescopic cylinder is on the front. The DOD and pretty well every other brand on the market of a deck over dump uses a scissor lift style lift under the bottom of the dump body, which makes it super easy to overload and front load. So what we did is we intentionally loaded this rock to the front of the dump trailer to where we can show you just again how powerful this telescopic cylinder is. We'll dump it and show you. And just like that, it's another day at the office. Now to round out the trifecta, let's go load some equipment. All right, guys, so we're on our third and final stop. We are at Ag Power. It's a John Deere dealership here in Mount Pleasant, and we're going to load this about 7,000-ish, 7,500 pound mini excavator in the DOD. One of the new things about the DOD is we changed the ramps from a 76-inch long or 78-inch long ramp to a 96-inch long ramp, which makes loading equipment like this in a deck over not too dang bad. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap with the new DOD, showing all the versatility. Again, jump on diamondc.com, go build you a DOD and get to work.